So today we want to see transport under resource and economic activities. Specific objectives: identify forms of transport, state problem facing forms of transport, state the measures taken to cater for persons with special needs in transport, then identify the major road signs, then finally demonstrate basic first aid procedure. Meaning of transport: it is the movement of people and goods from one place to another. Forms of transport: road, railway, pipeline, water, cable, air. Problem facing forms of transport. Problems facing road transport: loss of goods due to insecurity, numerous accidents resulting to loss of lives and property, road damage due to overloading of trucks carrying goods. All weather tarmac roads are expensive to build and maintain. Most roads in urban areas are prone to traffic jams, which slows movement. Some roads are impassable due to rainy season. Some roads are swept by flood waters, thus disconnecting places served by such roads. Roads passing through remote areas and are less productive, and less productive areas are underutilized, rendering them uneconomical to build and maintain. Problems facing railway transport: expensive to build and maintain, expensive to operate when they pass through unproductive areas, competition from other forms of transport. Trains used in many parts of Africa are generally slow. Use of old engines and narrow tracks reduces the speed of trains. Mismanagement. Interconnectivity to Tanzania is limited because Tanzania uses a wider gauge of railway line different from that of Kenya. Problem facing water transport: lack of capital to establish and control shipping lines. Some ports are too small to handle big modern ships. Some rivers have waterfalls and rapids, making them unnavigable. Capsizing of boats, especially on Lake Victoria, due to storms. Some rivers are seasonal. Insecurity caused by pirates. Competition from faster means of transport, such as air. Problem facing air transport: limited carrying capacity due to lack of space for carrying large cargo. Planes cannot make use of foreign airspace unless they have obtained permission to do so in advance. Foreign planes are charged high fees for landing rights. Air transport is expensive. Poor passenger handling facilities cause long delays for travelers. Planes are expensive to buy and maintain. Insecurity, as planes are at risk of being hijacked by terrorists. Problem facing pipeline transport: a lot of wastage would occur if the pipes get damaged. High maintenance cost, stealing of products by thieves. Pipeline, particularly for oil, are expensive to build and maintain. Pipelines are not flexible. Fire accidents on the pipeline may cause a lot of damage and loss, and it may take some time before the fire is put off. Problems facing cable transport: theft of cables. Live cables can cause fire. Catering for people with special needs in transport: designing special seats for the physically challenged in public vehicles, ensuring that the three-wheeled bicycles are affordable to the physically challenged to ease their mobility. Providing walking sticks with sensors for the visually challenged. Train the hearing impaired on the use of various road signs. Improvising artificial limbs and hands for the physically impaired. Then training the hearing impaired to use various forms of transport. Our next lesson will be on road signs and first aid procedures.